Hey, Supercross, Monocross guys, just getting to you here. Yeah, today I'm gonna be looking at some stuff. Probably some more Ryan Dungey stuff. Probably or probably Eli Tomac stuff. Probably I'm gonna be looking at I'm not sure what, but probably I'm gonna be looking at I don't know, like autographed merchandise stuff by Eli Tomac and Marion Dungey, so I'll probably get some hats of Ryan Dungey and some hats of Eli Tomac maybe. So I'm gonna be doing it here today. So I'll let you guys know. I'll probably let you guys know if I can find it. I'll probably show you. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna be doing here. Today. So well, I got nothing else to say here too much really to speak of, anyways, other than looking at hats of Ryan Dungey or Neely Tomac or even Savachi or any of those writers I like. So, or probably any of those guys I'll probably looking, probably gonna be looking at getting hats of. Like Savachi and Tomac and Ryan. Or Cole Seeley maybe. Or Borsha. So anyways, I'll talk to you guys in the next video, alright? Alright, see ya.